Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk through how to add more than one email account on iPhone. Here are the steps to add more than one email account on your iPhone. First is to unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Mail, then tap Accounts, select Add Account, choose your email provider like iCloud, Google, Outlook, Yahoo, or other. Enter your email address, then tap Next and password when prompted. Tap Next to let your iPhone verify the account. Choose what you want to sync, like mail, contacts, calendars, notes, etc. Tap Continue to add the first account and tap Save. To add another email, repeat steps before each additional account. After adding multiple accounts, go back to Settings, Mail, Accounts to view all of them. Open the Mail app. You'll now see all your inboxes listed separately or combined under All Inboxes. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.